Thank you, everybody. And sorry for taking so long. It's been a very wild and crazy day. So first of all, thank you so much for participating. Really do appreciate it. It's been a very wild and fantastic BSidesSF 2019. So thankful that we had a lot of people come, a lot of great conversations happening. It's been a pretty awesome the last 2 days. So let's dive right in. Attendance by the numbers. We had about 1,600 tickets purchased with about 83% checked in. 101 presenters total, including both the talks here and the workshops on Saturday. About 250 volunteers, 33 villagers, 10 press, 194 sponsors that came, and about 30 staff members, for a total number of about 2,200 participants that actually came, which is a record for BSides San Francisco. Let's just give a round of applause for all the people that came. Yes, awesome. Cool, let's talk a little bit about internet. We had a 1 gig uplink from WebPass. We did about 120 megs at peak, pushed about 480 gigs. 408 total wireless devices, overflowed 3 different tracks of video, which is a first for us. This is our first year doing that. It worked pretty well. We have some things to work on. 18 different Aruba APs. And fun fact, we actually, in the CTF, overloaded the AP enough that it took it down just due to the sheer number of people playing on the CTF. So we had to actually get more equipment in there. So it's pretty cool. Speaking of CTF, we had 41 different challenges completed over the course of about 32 hours. 1,112 players, which is a record for us, organized into about 676 teams with a bunch on site. The winners, third place, open to all. Second place was Perfect Blue, and first place was DCUA. Second year as first place for that team. Villages, we had a lot of awesome villages. Thanks to all our villages. We had the Lockpicking Village. We had Tool. We had IoT Village, Crypto and Privacy, and Spy Master Challenge all this year. And hope to add several more next year. Already planning on that. And also the Living Security Escape Room. They had 20 different teams play. Rabid Badgers won their competition in 9 minutes. Puzzles. If you didn't notice that there were some puzzles in the program, and we had several things spread out around the conference area, including some hidden APs as well. And we had 25 people actually signed up for it, and we had 1 person finish in time, Maya. I'm not even going to try to pronounce. Okay. And more details, we have a full write-up that will be posted to our blog in the next day or so for that. T-shirt, proceed donations for T-shirt charities. The EFF raised $1,944.16, plus people put in $47 of cash into the box. So pretty awesome for the EFF. Hack the Hood raised $1,189 and some cash. And then Hackers for Charity, a little over $972. So let's give a round of applause for all the people that donated and bought T-shirts. Thanks again. And again, a well-deserved thanks to all my staff. There's about 30 of us that put this conference on. It takes almost a full year to put this on. I want to do a special shout out to Megan, my right-hand woman. Come stand up, Megan. Come on. She keeps me in check. So really do appreciate her for all she does. We have, again, all of our staff, all of our many volunteers. Special thanks to Jim McLean for all the graphic design. He's been doing graphic design for the past at least 4 years for us. And so all the different things that you see are all done by a one-man team. And he spends a lot of time on it. So great appreciation to Jim. And putting this together takes a lot of time and a special commitment. If you feel that you have the ability to help out, we're always looking for more people to help out, either on the day of situation and as a volunteer, or in the many months preceding that. Do feel free to reach out to us at info@bsidessf.org. We would absolutely love to hear from you. And again, I want to talk to you about our sponsors. Special thanks to all of our sponsors, especially our four leading sponsors, Dropbox, HackerOne, Qualys, and Semel. We would not be able to put this conference on without them. It costs a lot of money to do this. And so we're very, very thankful to all our many sponsors and hope to see them all again next year. And please provide feedback. We can't keep improving the conference, making it better for everybody if you don't give us feedback about what you liked, what you disliked, what you absolutely loved, what you hated. Just any type of feedback that you have for us, please feel free to let us know. BSidesSF.org/feedback for general feedback. If you have feedback about a specific session, you can go in the schedule, and at the very bottom of that particular session, there's a place to put feedback in there. And then we'll also be sending out a post-event survey to everybody who registered in advance. And nothing but last, but we have BSides 2020, which will be our 10th anniversary, coming up next year. It'll be February 23rd and 24th of 2020. So very much look forward to having all of you attend again and join us there. And thank you again for coming this year. It's a lot of work to put this conference on, but it makes it worth it to have all the different participants here, see all your smiling faces, the enjoyment that people have, the great conversations that people are having. So again, thank you so much for everything that you've done and as far as participating and enjoying the conference. And again, hope to see you next year. So without further ado, round of applause again for everybody that's helped out and for all of you as well. Thank you again. If you do have some free time tonight, we do need a ton of help with cleanup. So if you want to stick around and do a lot of manual labor, we would really much appreciate it. We literally have to clear out this entire space. So this is going to begin immediately after we're done here. So if you have time, love to have the help. Otherwise, see you next year. Thanks.